Want to transform those empty vector outlines into eye-catching art with a single click? Let's dive into using the Live Paint Bucket tool in Adobe Illustrator, making your coloring workflow a breeze. First, start by ensuring your artwork is in a suitable format. With closed shapes or enclosed areas where you want to add color, look for the Live Paint Bucket tool in your toolbar. It usually shares space with the Shape Builder tool. If you do not see it, go to Edit and select Toolbar, and enable the Advanced setting. Now, select the tool, and notice the color swatches that appear next to the cursor, reflecting the current fill color. Double-click on the Live Paint Bucket tool to explore its settings. In the Live Paint Bucket options, you can customize the highlighting behavior, the gap detection, and the coloring method. Return to your artwork and click directly your desired color into an enclosed area. If the entire area doesn't get the color desired, it could be because of gaps in the artwork or settings. Within your option menu, you can adjust your gap detection settings, making sure they are applicable to the size of your artwork. Continue clicking within areas to fill them with color. The Live Paint Bucket tool is especially powerful for complex designs, allowing you to quickly apply flat colors with pinpoint accuracy. Understanding your tool options and your design can significantly boost your efficiency when illustrating. Unleash your creativity and get coloring. Don't forget to subscribe for more Illustrator tips and tricks.